Can you lift it up and just have a look over there, because I'm being chased.
All right.
I've got
By who? By what?
Oh, I've just picked up a car that's been stolen.
Right.
And I'm waiting for the police. They're going to give me an escort back.
So we're here with the Deepspace Stellar25 and we're testing the 880mm 4S LIHV from GNB at your request. Now that Stellar25 is creating a bit of a racket and I have just seen security, so
there might be a problem because it's very loud right now.
But we're chilling. I'm just trying to see. I don't appear to have, oh yeah, 4.10 volts.
I'm watching.
Pretty good for a 2.5-inch ducted drone, although it is making a little bit of a noise.
Yeah, you're all that rich and you can still hear it, bro. Even that 7-inch wouldn't make that much noise, bro. This thing screams.
It does scream a little bit, doesn't it?
No, bro. So just like, you know, I think I heard like a stalker somewhere. I heard someone in the bushes.
You heard a stalker in the bushes?
I heard
this is what it's like flying with Boy Wonder FPV. You hear stalkers in the bushes.
Oh, nice.
Got to be careful because obviously you're going to induce prop wash on such a small drone with ducted props, yeah. Now this looks a bit different. I'm actually at the other wheel at the minute. Now this looks a little bit different than it did yesterday when we was trying to find the Rock 7. It doesn't look half as big from the air as it does from the ground.
Yeah.
Which is, I guess, to be expected, really.
Yeah. Oh, it's just birds that I'm hearing. I just saw a bird.
We've got stalker birds.
Yeah, birds like robotic birds.
Ah, government
I think
issued drones. Is it Trump?
Yeah.
Oh no, he's going to put tariffs on us flying. Donald! Boink.
Oh, the car!
The car alarm just went off. Not our car alarm, the car alarm on the back of the truck.
There's a car on the back of the truck that has its hazards on. It hit that little, do you see that little like speed bump? But as soon as it hit that,
That was crazy.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's broken down doesn't mean you can swing like a little girl car. I haven't turned off.
Where's he going? Is he going in there?
I think he's just turning around because it's all. Yeah, he's trying to turn. Yeah, he's trying to. Oh my god, he's going to hit me.
Oh, he's just hit.
Oh my god. I knew it. This is probably the worst driver in the world, bro.
Right, shush.
He's going to hit it again. Just letting him smoking as well.
Don't worry about it.
He hit a lot of trees.
And he's hit the trees. So we are 3 minutes 30 seconds in at 3.7 volts.
Oh my god, I'm still laughing about that, bro. He was just trying to park. That was so funny where he hit a little speed bump and went wheel. Bruh.
This is such an impressive Bando. And I just hope one day we can get in.
Yeah. Maybe we'll have like 2 million subscribers.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, well, more than 2 million.
Share this video, guys. Boy Wonder reckons when we hit 2 million subscribers, they'll let us do an event here.
Yeah, but I mean, this is like private property, so that's why. Like abandoned private property. Well, technically not abandoned because people still work.
Yeah, they've got security, haven't they? Cause
yeah, I don't. Why do they even work here?
To stop people getting in.
I mean,
because it's dangerous. Well, there's some offices on the left-hand side, although that's not going to match up to what my screen is showing you, but I'll show you guys. So the offices on the right-hand side, these are like the original mine offices here, okay? These are the original mine offices here, and these are now sort of modern-day offices. And then you've got security over here.
Oh god.
What's up?
I think he's talking about us.
No. No, it's not.
The silver drone. Oh, it's coming to us.
Is it?
Yeah, it's coming straight towards us.
I'll land. So that was 5 minutes
It's coming to
and
us.
at 3.79.
Oh, yeah, mate, is that a drone?
Yes.
Can you lift it up and just have a look over there, because I'm being chased.
All right.
I've got
Oh.
By who? By what?
I've just picked up a car that's been stolen from
Right.
Soco, and I'm waiting for the police. They're going to give me an escort back. So I've come up here, out of the way.
What type of car is it?
It's like a Fiesta, a dark one.
Just give me a second.
Because if I stayed on the main road,
They'll find you.
they're obviously after something.
Yeah, of course. Right, there's nothing on this road. This road's clear.
Yeah, it's that much.
I'm just going to go down to the end.
Yeah. Hello? Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah.
That's not good. He's getting chased by the robbers, bro.
No, what I've done is come off the gun.
The road is completely clear.
He's just behind you.
She.
It looks like
Right, so we've actually been flying for 6 minutes now, guys. 3.6 volts. And it just goes to show that drones are not always bad things.